Good morning everyone. Today I will talk about Top Glove Corporation Berhad, the largest glove producer in the world. This organizational analysis is done to understand how the company is structured, how it operates, and how it remains competitive in the global market. By looking at the top glove, we can see how a big company manages its performance, adapts to challenges, and stay efficient, especially during difficult times such as the COVID-19 pandemic. This study is important because it shows us how strategy, planning, and structure help a company grow and survive in a fast-changing world. Top Gloves were founded in 1991 by Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wei Chai in Klang with only one factory and one production line. Today, it has become the world's largest glove producer with factories in Malaysia, Thailand, China, and Vietnam, and offices across the US, Europe, and Asia. The company supplies over 2,000 customers in 195 countries. Besides gloves, it also makes face masks, condoms, and other healthcare products, and it is listed on Bursa Malaysia and Singapore Exchange. Although successful, Top Glove faces challenges such as labor rights, sustainability, and raw material costs. To address this, it has taken steps to improve work welfare and adopt greener practices. In short, Top Glove grew from a small factory to a global leader show the value of innovation and adaptability.
For the next part, the company is governed by a board of directors supported by committees for audit, risk, sustainability, and nomination. Daily operations are overseen by the executive committee, ensuring effective execution of strategies across regions. This structure enables accountability, risk management, and smooth coordination on a global scale. Decision-making follows a systematic flow, moving from management proposal to the ExCo, then to board committees, and finally the board for approval. Communication is strengthened through town hall meetings, intranet platforms, and stakeholder engagement. On the workforce side, Top Glove invests in employee welfare, offering zero-cost recruitment, upgrading housing, training programs, and strong health and safety measures. From a SWOT perspective, Top Glove's strengths include unmatched scale, vertical integration, and strong ESG practices. Weaknesses are its past labor scandals and employee turnover risk. Opportunities come from rising global health awareness, tariff on Chinese imports, and advance in automation. However, threats such as industry overcapacity, fierce competition, regulatory pressures, and foreign exchange risks remain. A Pasteur analysis shows that political and legal factors like tariff and labor laws are highly influential, while economically global glove demand is expected to grow steadily. Social awareness of labor rights and hygiene continues to shape demand, and technological advancements in AI and automation offer efficiency gains at the same time. Environmental sustainability pressures and regulatory compliance remain crucial challenges. Overall, this organizational analysis highlights how Top Glove leverages its strength while addressing weaknesses, preparing to adapt to external pressures, and maintain its leadership in the global glove industry.
Next is a strategic and restructuring plan. A strong structure is vital to streamline operations and align goals. For Top Glove, a matrix model is suggested, combining functional and regional authority to respond faster to market changes. The plan also reviews reporting system by cutting bureaucracy, using digital dashboards, and ensuring clear roles and responsibilities to avoid duplication. Overall, restructuring will boost efficiency, communication, and competitiveness. Moving to the performance enhancement initiative. Key actions include motivating employees with rewards and welfare support, building trust through open communication, and implementing a robust appraisal system with real-time tracking and 360-degree feedback. Training programs will also be provided, workers focusing on safety and quality, while managers focus on leadership and decision-making. Together, these steps aim to improve productivity, loyalty, and resilience.
Next, we will look at culture and change management. Our culture emphasizes doing things right the first time and every time, with integrity and total commitment, guided by a river principles. As we shift towards a more structured organization, it's vital that our country involves alongside. This means encouraging clear roles, accurate communication, and strong trust between departments. Managers play a central role by communicating openly and respectfully. To support employees through change, we have outlined steps to address their concerns, such as strengthening HR role, improving work schedules, and collecting feedback on managerial behavior. These efforts aim to foster a supportive and inclusive environment. Top Glove will implement its new structure in stages, starting with assessment, followed by cluster-based middle management, and rollout of job descriptions with KPI tracked via digital dashboards. We will also gather ongoing feedback through surveys and forums to uncover challenges, improve morale, and ensure the restructuring truly meets operational needs. This year, Top Gloves targets to produce 43 billion gloves with a factory utilization rate of 70%. So far, we have achieved 61%, up from 58% last quarter. In terms of market, sales to the US grew by 24%, showing strong recovery. However, sales to Europe fell by 6% due to higher competition and supply shift from China. Financially, our revenues reached 830 million ringgit, slightly lower due to weak US dollar and lower selling prices. Still, net profit increased by 17%, hitting 35 million ringgit, driven by strong cost control and better margins. To monitor performance, we use TG Reach powered by SAP Success Factors, which track KPIs in real time and links performance to rewards.
I'll be briefing about recommendation and conclusion. For recommendation, it is important to make strategic restructuring. In order for Top Glove Corporation to operate efficiently in changing global healthcare and manufacturing industry, it is important for the company to execute a successful strategic restructuring. They must add streamlining and organizational hierarchy to help cut bureaucracy and make it more agile. This entails collapsing overly convoluted tiers to speed up the time to answer and allow to flow from department to department. Additionally, if local teams are empowered and can take decisions on the field locally, they would be able to respond faster than headquarters to market demand and change in regulation and focus on decentralized decision-making at regional level. The second one is performance enhancement through digital transformation. Productivity can be potentially increased and waste can be reduced through the implementation of advanced data analytics and AI-based quality control system. The company can further improve supply chain management and reduce production downtime. Top Glove Corporation can significantly improve its organizational structure and performance by adopting a holistic restructuring strategy focused agility, digitalization, talent optimization, and innovation. To sum up, this deep organizational study of Top Glove Corporation shows how its governance structure, operational strategies, and workforce initiative all work together to make it the world-leading glove manufacturer. The SWOT analysis showed that the company's commitment to environmental, social, and governance issues. The PASTEL analysis also showed how trade policies, labor laws, technological advance, and environmental sustainability affect the company's strategic direction. Top Glove can stay ahead of the competition, create a positive work environment, and achieve long-term growth in a global business world that is becoming more dynamic by making sure that simplifying hierarchical layer, use metric structure, improve cross-functional collaboration, and taking advantage of digital transformation are aligned with its core values and program to improve employee well-being.